and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Take a look at the headlines for today. Pope Francis embarks on historic 12-day Asia-Pacific tour. BITS hosts first ever business expo showcasing vocational school achievements. Meghalaya Health Minister meets nurses in Japan. And Meghalaya Chief Minister unveils 40-meter national flag. And now the news in detail. On September 2nd, 2024, Pope Francis, the 87-year-old leader of the Catholic Church, began a landmark 12-day tour of Asia-Pacific and East Oceania, visiting Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, East Timor and Singapore. Despite his health challenges, the Pope is undertaking his longest journey to address the pressing needs of the Church in these regions. His visit started in Indonesia and he is set to engage in up to 40 meetings, including a significant meeting with Argentine missionaries in Papua New Guinea. In East Timor, he will celebrate Mass at the same coastal site as Pope John Paul II did in 1989. The final leg of his journey takes him to Singapore, where analysts view the visit as a strategic move to bolster Vatican-China relations. On September 3rd, 2024, the Bosco Integrated Development Society BITS hosted its inaugural Business Expo 2024 at the State Central Library in Shillong. The event, supported by Germany's Children's Network, featured historical equipment and products from graduates of Don Bosco Technical School and 2 other vocational schools. The expo was inaugurated at the Sosotham Auditorium by MLA Sutnga Santa Marishilla, who highlighted government schemes supporting youth entrepreneurship. Reverend James Thurnyang, SDB Executive Director of BITS, emphasized the organization's role in nurturing vocational school graduates into successful business owners. The event provided a platform for young entrepreneurs to showcase their products and express gratitude for the opportunity provided by BITS. The expo marks a significant step in aiding youth in leveraging their skills for economic advancement.
Entrepreneurs jongi kabangi penyait na BITS Teka bits kadega organization jong Kasilian province jong Bosco hangne Shillong province kapakan tub ya ka Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura bat Silchar Barak Valley. Teka ni kadega organization kapa Peit ya karoi kapar jong ki Samla pat jong ki Khuborjylla ha ka social development. Takeaway na ki kam ki bangile kalong bangile ya ki skill training. Te kanika bits kalong kum ka shatri jong baro kini ki technical school hapo ka province Shillong. Kapakan tub ya ka donbosco technical school Shillong, ya ka Bosco tech Silchar, donbosco tech Nongstoin, Bosco penar Jowai, padru Agartala pat Bishramganj hapo Tripura. Te lingba ka jing trai sitom jong kane ka technical commission paru ka social development department tengi layo bangi pha ya kawe ka project lingba ka jing arab jong ka development corporation jong ka sarkar Germany lingba jong kawe ka organization ki ong ka child aid network te kilay arab yangi bat kathong kalong bangi driven train chief po hajar ngut ki khna ha ki trade paper but bangin place ya ki la kumno nyo po san person tena kana ki sipo hajar ngut khat san spangut ngi dei ban yarab ba ki dei ban sengkam sengjam dala dehi tena kane haru mentang la ban yarab kumba khat lai spangut te kini ki badon hang ne pio I ya kini ki stall bat mentang I penlong ya kane ka business entrepreneurs expo kemudian ngi kwa ban wanra ya baro ki Samla jungi ki bala sengkam sengjam lingba ka jingerap jong kane ka project lingba ka bits.
Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, met with 3 Meghalayan nurses, Shisha Lapantingan Lartang, Luanda B. Sangma and Banyokor Mukhim at Surumaki Onsen Hospital in Tokyo. Expressing her pleasure in a message from Japan, Dr. Ampreen praised the nurses for their dedication and encouraged them to honor their families and Meghalaya through their work. She extended her blessings and wished them continued good health, commending their contributions to healthcare in Japan. The meeting highlights the global reach and impact of Meghalaya's healthcare professionals.
Kafira Benstam.
Blay Khubor kakanteng sanga kadai banyak korukim nathan right is khasinews Shillong Meghalaya. Ngalawan hang ni nadu benai Julai pengelak sedang menteri ningkong kecingu bat kuburam nga ai sublay balayalam nanti nga pangan poy hadokan ni gacaka bat kebaari may pai bahing hasem ki balakasyan nga bat kebalaya ka sorkar kebalayalam lenti ledom den ka sorkar wat imay par kimsya andai leng bacong ka sorkar ngilala poy hane kalong ka bas so tanat bantre ni namar kibriu kilong kibabhang ila ban kamdan kata ka stress mental health mo hoy ka ngitrei sitom hendrai tangba kamensim pat kasuk men ba menta kasngiru ba imam emperin lawan pejangi is ram kumar lawan pejangi bat ikon chong imam emperin lawan pejangi bat chong isar ngis ngoten lat ngas ngokum ba email lawan ban pejanga kanu kalong ka bakmen bat nga penslur ya ki we rukiners ba kila banwan lada kikwa ban yo kacing yarap ban ai sayeng mo nama ladang itre Meghalaya kalong kacing yo kalong ke barit le hane kalong ke ba kham he compare ke bang yo te tang ba ka don hang ne kalong ke ba kham he te ka sho ka mon jong hi ban decide lada kikwa ban wan mo Kublai subon. Thank you. Kublai pibaro keteng jong ade shisha lo ketengan datang dan ngade na penden sok saw mau senram is Khasinews district.
On September 3, 2024, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla unveiled a 40-meter-high national flag at PWD Barrack Point. This site, earmarked by the state government for transformation, will be developed into a flower garden, walking tour and entertainment venue aiming to boost tourism in Shillong. The government has allocated Rs 250 crore for the project's beautification and development, which is set to begin in October. This initiative reflects the state's commitment to enhancing public spaces and attracting visitors to Meghalaya.
To be part of this very, I should say, a historic moment, a very important moment, and I'm sure that when we look back after a few months, we will find this as a very significant turning point and an occasion in the history of our city of Shillong. Basic, of course, approach and idea is to beautify and make our city more green and more livable. You've seen the small video of what we are trying to do out here, and I'm sure that all of you will appreciate that once this project, which is going to cost us approximately about 25 crores, and we expect the work.
Authorities from Maulong Elaka and leaders of the HNYF have called on the Karuna Trust to replace Dr. R. Siangshai, who has served the area for over 3 years. The PHC in Maulong district was recently transferred to the Karuna Trust by the Meghalaya government. The local community has voiced their demand for a change in medical staff, and it is now up to the Karuna Trust to address these concerns. The request reflects ongoing community efforts to ensure effective healthcare delivery in the region.
Kabalong gawin na kisinong giba don ka jing sno bat kani ka PSC te anagaliang ka jonga nasngo ban ai khublai ya baro kito ki balai don ha ka por ki pai ba nang sinong na du ki sang NGO baro te nagaliang ka jonga kum unong Peit unong kmi jong kani ka ilaka baro ko nga kermen ba ka company ka Kurana Trust ka ba penyaj ya kani ka PSC nang ni syakamat kan sim ya kilat kilenti ha ka por ka biang ha ba don kinu ki bom jus don ka jing sau jing mut kan sim khia ban penbej kloi khanang ba kinam jesu kum ba kilaji ha kini kisngi te na kaliang ka jonga nga kerpan ya ka Kurana Trust ba kandang ai ka jing syakri kanang beteng ya ka jing syakri ha kani ka senong ka jongi ka ban long ka jing mentoy na ka bantaki paj ba nong senong kan long ka jing mentoy ru na ka bantaki nong trei ki para senong ka jongi ki ba trei ha kani ka PSC ba lengba ka jing don jong kani ka PSC lengba ka jing syakri jong ka Kurana Trust ka ni ka ki para senong ki jongi kin yo kam yo jam ha kani ka PSC te nga karpat ya ka Kurana Trust ru ba kan pha ya ke dor ke bade pej kum ki doktor ke ba dei khmi ya kani ka PSC ba kin ai ka jing syakri bat kin ai ka jing trailang bat ki paj ba nong sinong jong kani ka sinong ka jongi te na kaliang ka jonga nga karpat ru ya ka Kurana Trust habe dei bat ki nong trei ke balong ki para sinong ki jongi ha kani ka PSC bakin Peit barabor lada kilek bakla kin pentip syanga ukhli no sensyar bangan yo banya selok bat ki barabor bangan batai laningan seneng ani kaya ki khenang ba kinomle mon hakaba aya kejing syakriang ni mateng teng ki nong trei ki jongi dah ba kimyo kam ibrio jong.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.